Check out the rough draft of the new MMT indicator. All these support and resistance lines were printed from the new MMT indicator. It's going to be called MMT key levels. This particular part of the key levels indicator looks for high volume areas. You can choose up to 3 different time frames. This is a 1-minute chart, so it's looking for high volume areas on the 1-minute chart. Then I've also got it scanning the 5-minute chart and the 60-minute chart, all within this one indicator on this one chart. I've also got yesterday's point of control as well as previous day's point of controls. And you can absolutely customize how many sessions it will look back. This is looking back 3 sessions. All these lines were plotted at the beginning of the session. It's now into the New York Open. You can see how these lines are getting honored. Also acting as magnets. You can see price gets sucked down into this cluster of high volume levels, how we bounce off of these volume levels. You can see right here on this candle, we broke through these 2 key levels, had a delta diamond, strong negative delta. We went right down to this next key level. We bounced back up to this key level area. Now we're bouncing down. I've never seen an indicator like this out there. It's actually one of the first indicators that I ever wanted to create, just because I was already looking for high volume areas on my 1-minute chart in particular. And rather than having to manually draw them out every single day, I wanted a way to easily scan the markets automatically for these levels, have them plotted on my chart, and also to be able to scan other time frames. So be on the lookout for this indicator in the near future. It's also going to have several other features, which I will share when we get closer to the final release date. These levels also work on any other instrument. This is a gold chart. You can see how these levels are working out on the gold chart here. Also, these candle colors are being printed by the MMT trend and reversal indicator. This is the trend and reversal indicator. The trend flow candles are on. Everything else is off. Got a strength of 1. The directional filter is off. That means no neutral candles get printed, just red and green. I've got an input series of a 3 SMA, and the 3 SMA has an input series of a 9 EMA. So it's a 3-period SMA smoothed by a 9-period EMA. And now we're getting these very clear, smooth green and red waves painted on the candles. Just one of the many ways that you can use the trend and reversal indicator. I've also got the MMT Ultimate Delta in cumulative delta mode down here, and I've got it printing the delta diamonds. Every time we get delta exceeding a customized threshold, in this instance on the 1-minute NQ, I've got a threshold of positive 300 and negative 300. Sometimes with the cumulative delta, it's hard to see exactly how big these bars are. With the delta diamonds, you can get a diamond marker printing every time it exceeds a threshold that you can customize. I hope you enjoyed this sneak peek. If you want to keep up to date with all the latest MMT news, please hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.